Hi there everybody, in this really quick video I'm just going to show you what I do when it comes to the Scheepjes Whirl colour changes. Now I follow a few pages and groups and things, and I've noticed that people do talk quite a lot about the fluffy bits that you get on a Scheepjes Whirl where the colour changes happen. Now obviously with the really gentle gradient of the yarn, the colour changes are added in literally one strand at a time, and that's what obviously gives it its really nice flow, but you do get colour changes obviously. So these are what they look like in a Scheepjes Whirl. So they are just little fluffed up sections, so I'm hoping you can see that. And I've read things that people chop out the whole thing and then restart the yarn into their project, but personally I don't really think that you need to do that. There is a really simple way to make it get tucked away into your work without needing to sew in lots of new ends or join the two ends together all the time. So just rub your fingers over it a little bit just to get all the fluffy bits to stick up, and then I'm going to take my scissors and carefully, and not too close, obviously you don't want to break the yarn or make it weak, you're just going to snip off any of the longer fluffy bits. Like I say, you don't need to do this too close or too short or anything like that. I'm literally just going to snip off the excess fuzz. So I've snipped off the excess fuzz now, and already it's looking a little bit better. But now all I'm going to do is just wet my fingers in a little bit of water, and then I'm just going to roll that yarn in between my fingers. My fingers are damp obviously, you don't need this to be soaking wet with water. So I have made that now pretty much as good as I think I would need it to be. And I'm just going to show you now, I'm just going to do a few more stitches on this blanket, and you will see that once it's worked in, it is pretty much undetectable. So let me just work up to where the colour change actually is. So here is my colour change now. You can see here, that is where the colour change is. And I'm just going to work that in. I'm just going to do a couple of stitches. And so there, my colour change has now been worked into my project, and you can see it is undetectable now. You can't see it, so we've trimmed it, we've rolled it with damp fingers, and it's worked into our project now, and you would never know that it was there in the first place. So I hope that that has been useful for you. Like I say, I've seen quite a few people talking about it, and I just wanted to let you know it's completely normal to have those. You don't need to worry about them. That is how you can deal with them. You don't need to start creating lots of ends in your work. You can just use that really quick technique and carry on going as normal. But I will see you for another normal tutorial very soon. Bye for now.